Dashboards play an important role in analytics. Every business users like decision makers, product owners, or the marketing team, finance team needs dashboards, but most BI tools are development-driven, so generally business users have to wait for days to weeks for any new dashboard. This frustrating waiting time hampers the essence of analytics. So now, in the era of generative AI and ChatGPT are making business users curious about whether AI can generate dashboards. Basically, they are looking for an AI solution where the machine can create dashboards just by taking dashboard requirements. NewFangled PolusAI has AI-driven dashboard feature where all you need to do is fill up a simple dashboard form. And voila! The AI-powered system automatically generates the dashboard for you. Not only that, Polus AI will implement features like global filters, local filters, slice and dice functionality, and much more automatically. Wanna experience innovation where machines can create any dashboard? Book a demo today